So delicious, y'all. Simple pasta salad, easy to make. It's for any occasion, whatever you want, holidays, whatever, it don't matter. This pasta salad right here, you cannot turn down.
So live your life. You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple pasta salad. But before we get into this video, you guys, you're going to need to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into this video, you guys. So guys, you're going to start off by cutting up your cucumbers and your tomatoes. Next, you're going to boil your noodles according to the package. Once your noodles are done, drain and transfer to an aluminum pan. Now you're going to add in your Italian seasoning and your tomatoes and cucumbers. Add in some vinegar. Add in your Italian dressing and we're going to mix this up well. After adding in your Italian dressing and mixing it up well, we're going to add in some salad supreme, 1 packet of ranch dressing, and you'll thank me later. And now we're going to give this one final mix, making sure everything is well combined. We're going to refrigerate this for 1 hour to 24 hours. And enjoy, you guys. And comment down below, you guys, and let me know how you like the recipe.
I'm big on boss.